Alright, what's the next challenge?
The next challenge is we're gonna make a window on my back. We're gonna make a window, and I'm gonna make like a nice cute window, so not just a big circle. I'm gonna make 4 holes in it.
I scared the shit out of myself.
Wow.
That's just a cache, guys.
So the door's gonna be like this. Zoop, zoop, zoop. And we're gonna make 4 holes in it, so it ends up being like a little window with a frame in the middle.
One window.
Is there anyone home?
Hello. Anyone in there?
So the next step is gonna take the bark off and make a window shape. And then after that I will use a little file to make these windows nice square. Trial and error, although we cannot error.
Let's see how it goes.
I work with wood a little bit, but always with treated wood. So I don't know what's gonna happen and all that shit.
And now we're just making it look a little bit more rough. Alright, on to the second window.
Makes it so much nicer when you take the bark off. Satisfying.
Alrighty, 2 windows. That's the door window, and then there's an actual window. And look at that, you can see the light shining through. Just gonna do the doorknob. Alright, now we're figuring out how to cut the door out.
I'm gonna cut in a crack.
That makes sense.
Yeah. And yes, we have a bigger saw. Just gonna try this first.
Alright, so we're down here.
This one side done. Now we're gonna cut out the other side. And then we're gonna have a problem. And then it's cool. Okay, put that 2 hours later.
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Now we're gonna cut off the bottom.
Anyone a better idea to do this?
Oh.
Now there's a piece of metal in.
Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm back to a big drill.
Oh, I hate this timber. It's gonna be a struggle, but we'll get there.
Almost cut through the door, people. Look at that. Almost there. Oh. Careful, careful.
The moment.
Oh, we're free.
Almost.
We're officially free. Yeah. Give me a high five. Yes.
Nice.
Okay, so we're going to put 2 more holes in the window and make it a long window.
Your door's on fire!
Alright, so now we're attaching some screws to the roof of it so we can put the lights in. I don't think we've ever shown you the lights. 3, 2, 1. Oh. And these, they're like those tiny little, tiny little string lights. So we're going to put 4 screws in the top of it and then wind it round and round and round and round and round and round and round. These lights are long and they keep getting longer. Gee whiz.
Turn it on, Nikki.
Turn it on. Ooh, that's pretty. We are winding and we are winding and we are winding. Oh.
Did you do that?
Nope.
Oh shit. Dang it.
You killed it!
Dang it.
He just chopped this bit off that he'd wound and the rest of it started working.
And then I know what happened. It's
Pulled too tight.
Yeah, pulled too tight. These are metal wires and they have a metal or like a copper core, but the outside is actually not letting any electricity through.
They're not conductors.
No, but it's a really thin layer. So if you simply scratch it like that, but if I scratch this, boom, 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 and I scratch that, boom, 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 then it might be like stop working because it's.
Look, he shorted it.
Ta-ta.
What?
Yeah.
My husband's smart. So, we tried a different method. We've now, obviously you can see that, spring in between two paper clips. So A, it's easily removable, and B, it's easily removable. It's going to be cool. Mimi!
The lady is the spring. The spring is the lady's idea. Because the lady said, oh, you really do spring, you can use the spring. And he's like,
Bling! Bling! Yeah, let's fold it and put it on top of the thing.
and we probably decided not to make a hinge going like this, because as you might know, making a hinge on this is gonna be a struggle because everything is. I just wanted this to go smooth. That is all uneven and hard to work with. You're gonna get a door that's gonna be like. I might decide to, or we might decide to go actually with something to hold the door here and with a little magnet inside. So it's just.
Look how much light it emits in the dark, people.
Do it.
What's that in the corner?